So in this video, I'm gonna give you guys 5 different ways to actually make money by watching videos online like you're doing right now. Now the first thing is this, Tommy, I've done this before in the past and they only paid me 1 penny per video that I watched, but in reality, guys, this is not the case here. And here's why. I found one of these jobs out of these 5 right here that actually pay around $69,906 per year just by watching videos. Now I wish for sure I knew this before going to college and getting in debt, but also I found other places you can actually go to and make between $10 every 20 minutes, so in reality, 60 bucks every hour, or for example, 5 times a week. If you do it every week, well, in reality, that's around $300 a week, 5 days a week for only 1 hour a day. Not that bad at all, if you ask me. Now, if you guys don't know me, my name is Tommy Bryson. I'm an accountant, and I upload videos on YouTube every single day. On top of that, do me a favor and also subscribe to the channel, hit the bell to get notified, and if you haven't done it already, go ahead and destroy the like button. Now, comment down below, guys, and let me know this one thing. What would you do if someone paid you $69,000 to watch videos every single day? Would you take the job, or would you say, like, nah, I'm not really interested? Comment down below, let me know. If you ask me, guys, you know, it sounds like a dream job until you take it, and now you're watching like videos every single day that you don't even like, but you have to watch them. Now it becomes a job, to be honest, but I will watch the heck out of those videos, to be honest, because $70,000 is a lot of money if you ask me, okay? But guys, on top of that, that's not all. I have 5 different other ones, but if you want to find out exactly which one that is, make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Now, the first one is that if you have cable and you're paying for cable, you're not getting money out of it, so why not try to get money by watching TV on cable? The answer is you could if you wanted to, but the point is, I really recommend you cut out cable. It's not really important, to be honest, especially with Netflix, Hulu, and everything out there. But if you do have cable and you love it, I won't judge you, okay? That's the point here. But you can actually become a Nielsen Family member, and they'll pay you to monitor exactly how you use TV, what you watch, and all that fancy stuff. So basically, the Nielsen company actually selects people around your neighborhood, and they basically assign you guys like monitors to monitor what you watch and what you don't watch, and that way they can give that information to the cable companies to then say like, hey, you have this rating because people don't watch your show during this time, and this is going on, and basically that's how it works. And they pay you money just to monitor exactly what you're doing on the TV. By the way, you don't get paid at all, so nothing is better than something, to be honest. Well, something is better than nothing, to be honest. But the point is this, guys, okay? They will pay you every 6 months around $50, okay? So once a year, that's around $100 per year. But comment down below, let me know, would you do this or would you not do this? Comment down below, let me know, because again, guys, you know, you're not really getting paid any money to watch TV, so why not get paid for watching TV? But if you do have cable, comment down below, guys. Do you still have cable, or do you have Netflix, Hulu? Like, what do you have? Comment down below, let me know. I usually just watch YouTube and Netflix. Comment down below, let me know. And now, number 2, guys, is actually Swagbucks and Inbox Dollar. Now, I know, you know, not a lot of money, but I had to do this for the culture because basically I did this when I was 12 and 15, and I've been doing this for a while, but not anymore because, again, it's not really a lot of money. But the point is, guys, okay, they pay you around 1 penny to 2 pennies to watch a video 1 minute to 2 minutes long. Tommy, no, I'm not doing this. Skip this one, go to the next one. The answer is, guys, you know, I did some very scary math, okay? For example, if you're saying, well, Tommy, I don't want to get paid 2 cents, okay? 2 cents for 1 minute of my time, it's not worth it. The answer is, well, is it actually not worth it? And here's why I say it, guys, okay? If you are getting paid minimum wage, and that minimum wage is $7.50, well, here's the math, guys. Math numbers don't lie. Well, $7.50 divided by 60 to get them per minute, like earnings, well, divided by 60 here. Well, that is around 12.5 cents. So in reality, you're getting paid 12.5 cents. So why not add an extra 2 cents to that? And well, not a 2. I'm sorry about that. Actually, like 12.5 plus 2, that's around 14.5 cents. You times it by 60, and that's around 870 divided by 100 to get a dollar amount, and that's around $8.70. So instead of getting paid $7.50, you get paid an extra $1.20. Comment down below, let me know. Do you think Inbox Dollar is worth it? Comment down below, let me know. But to be honest, guys, I recommend if you just don't have a lot of cash and you're working a minimum wage job, just go out there and upgrade your skill or try to get a different job to earn more money, because at the end of the day, all you're really getting paid is around 12.5 cents per minute. And that is not a lot of money. If you ask me, I would get a better job. But if you want to do inbox dollar also, it's also an option in Swagbucks. But the problem is they don't have enough content to go around. So you just can't do like, oh, every single hour I'm going to do 60 videos. The answer is no. It's kind of like limited, so that's the problem here. But let me know if you would do it or not do it. To me, not worth it. Comment down below and let me know, would you do it or not do it? Now, number 3, guys, is actually by doing Fiverr or Fiverr. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here because people tell me all the time, tell me you're saying it wrong, please stop talking, but I will continue to say Fiverr because that's how I was taught to say it. Now, if you want, you can go on Fiverr right now and look up, for example, watch YouTube videos, and you'll find people actually selling that service for $5 a pop. So if you want to watch a video and make $5, for example, a video that's around like 5 minutes long, 10 minutes long, not that bad at all, and you get paid some money, some cash, quick cash, right? But in reality, guys, when you do some math here, some crazy math, you'll find out that, hey, there are 2 ways to do this, okay? If you want to do it on a per video basis, you probably won't make a lot of money. And here's why. No one really is going to pay you $5 to watch one video and comment and like it. To be honest, it just won't work like that. However, if you make an entire system, okay, an audience, a platform, for example, on Instagram, Facebook, on YouTube, you have like a whole channel with over 10,000 people that follow you, whatever you want to do, you build that up and then you offer promotions on those channels, those Instagrams and Facebooks, well, people will pay you a lot of money to promote their videos there, and that way you have more people coming in. But tell me, how exactly do I do this? The answer is, you have to learn more about social media and how it works. By the way, social media is very simple. And here's the answer. It's all about content, volume, and quality. Do all 3 of these things together and you're good to go. But by the way, guys, you have to optimize everything. And also, if you want to take it to even a higher level, well, once you get those people to actually, watch your videos, promote it, well, tell them, hey, I'll also manage your Instagram and also your social media platforms and get you more followers equals more sales. And that is called a social media management company. If you want to go crazy with this idea, you can take it and elevate it all the way to the top and make a lot more than $5, or for example, $1.20 per hour by doing inbox dollar or Swagbucks. And now number 4, guys, is actually where it starts getting interesting and you actually start making some real money here, okay? Now number 4 is basically by doing user testing. Now tell me, user testing is not really like watching video, it's more like actually doing something on video to then get paid money. Now tell me, how does this work if you don't know about it? Well, there are 2 different websites. It's called User Testing or User Feel, and it's basically like competition, the same thing, but different websites. But basically what you have to do is basically, if I'm a company and for example I'm Apple and I made a website, I'm like, hey, I want to test this website, how can I get someone to come in and test it and not really talk about it? The answer is, well, you can go on these websites right here, User Testing or for example User Feel, and sign up for it, and websites will pay you to go on the website, record yourself talking about the website, and then boom, guess what happens now? They will pay you money to test different things out on the website. Now tell me, how much money are we talking, bro? Because this sounds complicated. The answer is, well, it is a little bit more complicated and it is a little bit more money because if you do more work, usually it does mean a little bit more money. In this case, you will get paid around $10 per task. On an average, every task is around 20 minutes. So that's around $60 per hour if you ask me, if there are a lot of tasks on the websites, but it's pretty solid. So again, link down below to everything I'm mentioning right here, okay? But user testing is pretty solid if you ask me. And it's a great way to actually make some side income if you want to. Again, if you do, for example, 1 hour a day and make $60, well, per week, if you do 5 times a week, that's around $300, okay? Not that bad at all if you ask me. By the way, guys, quick math here. It's crazy, but if you work for minimum wage, $7.50 times 8 hours a day, well, in reality, that is $60. You just made that in 1 hour just like that. So this entire deal right here is a much better deal than going out there and working minimum wage, okay? To be honest, it's pretty solid, okay? You can take this time that you do for working a normal job, take that time and use it to actually build the business if you want to. Now, number 5, the one you've been waiting on here, is actually the job that makes around $69,906 per year. And tell me how, where do I sign up? How do I do it? The answer is, guys, I'm sorry to spoil it here, but it's actually with Netflix. By the way, Netflix pays a lot of money to the employees. So if you want to sign up for some other jobs, just check it out because they pay a lot of money for employees over there. But the point is, if you want to work for Netflix, something called a tagger on Netflix, and your job is to literally watch content, categorize it, and also use tags on it, metadata. But the whole point is you will get paid $69,000 per year just to do this. By the way, Tommy, where do I sign up, okay? How do I do this? Well, the answer is, well, you have to wait until it's in demand. But if you want to right now, go check it out and find out if there are any jobs available. If you watch this video right now, go quick, by the way. But on top of that, guys, well, Tommy, this is my dream job. This is a job I'm looking for the rest of my life. The answer is, I thought that too, to be honest, until I found out that, well, you're watching shows for 20 hours a week, and sometimes some shows are 60 hours a week, and you have to watch it, do like metadata for it, and do also tagging for it and categorize it. And when it gets like that, for example, okay, I loved Game of Thrones, great show, but now you have me watching Dora the Explorer, Finding Nemo like 50 times. The point is, at some point this becomes a job. So comment down below, if you had to watch Dora for 20 hours straight, would you watch it for an entire year? Okay, every single week, by the way, for an entire year, if you got paid $69,000 per year. Comment down below, let me know. If you ask me, man, I'm gonna watch the heck out of Dora, okay, for that year. Now, guys, as always, if you guys enjoyed this video, like this video, really appreciate it. And also, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the bell to get notified. And if you want to talk to me one-on-one, uno, just DM me on Instagram, Tommy Bryson. And before I go, if you want to watch a video on how to make money from YouTube without making videos, well, watch this video right here. And on top of that, click my face right here, and see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and as always, peace.